Hey guys, so welcome back to the Daily Entertainment Bar Show right here on TGH TV. If you are new here and haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's bars we have actress Akuapem Poloo makes first statement after sentencing. Yes, so Rosemond Brown, also known as Akuapem Poloo, has made her first public statement after the Accra Circuit Court on Friday, 16th April 2021, sentenced her to 90 days or 3 months in prison. Yes, so Sexy Poloo, as she proudly calls herself, in a short video was full of joy. Yeah, so she seized the opportunity to express her heartfelt gratitude to both Ghanaians and Nigerian celebrities who solidly stood behind her while she was going through these trying times. Yeah, so further in her address, Akuapem Poloo admitted that though she's facing a hard time going to jail, that is another phase of her life and she must go through it. She maintained that her current situation will not in any way break her down, but rather it will toughen her and hopefully she'll come back strongly. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comments, opinion and thoughts in the comment section below.
Hi guys, as you know, this is your one and only Sexy Poloo, Akuapem Poloo, yeah, Rosemond Brown. I just want to use this opportunity to say thanks to all my legends who supported me. I saw the hashtag, especially Regina Stone, Sarkodie, Stone Boy, Bridget O2, Hajia For Real, Akuma Mazimbi, DKB. Oh, I can't mention it all, please. I saw all this, all the bloggers who use their platform to support me. I saw the hashtag. I love you. I know you people love me and I love you too. The bloggers, mommy, those go celebrity. I know you love me. I'm stubborn, but you still show me love. I saw the money you sent, mommy, for my son. We are grateful. Guys, you know your girl is strong. Sometimes in life, you have to pass through some things to make you strong, to get to somewhere. I know it's a test I have to go through. I'm strong, you guys know. Please, all that I need is your prayers and your support. Your girl will be back with you guys. I love you. Thank you, Tunde. Thank you, all my Nigerian celebrities. Thank you, all my Ghana celebrities, all over the world who are supporting me. Yeah, Jackson, I love you, sister. I know you love me. I love everyone who has supported me to this. Your girl loves you. It dey pain you. Kiss, kiss.